with another trying video. Today I'll be trying out some IKEA food and snacks. So recently I head down to IKEA and I found a lot of interesting snacks and food that I've not tried before. I didn't buy all of them because there were so much. I just got some of the things that I find extra interesting. But maybe we can do a part 2 if you like. First off, I have this, I have no idea how to pronounce this. Rufflet Linz chips. Huh? That's a very Singaporean way of pronouncing it. I would think there is some corn chip flavored in ram's lock and sour cream. I really don't know how to pronounce anything other than sour cream. So let's just hop right into this thing and try it out. I have no idea what's coming up. It looks like those corn chips. It smells a bit sour. Let's try. It just tastes like corn chips with sour cream. Yeah, but it's very, very nice. I like it. So there's also other flavor of this particular chip, and I only got the ram's lock and sour cream version because I thought it's more interesting. Okay, next up I have this cheddar cheese and leek pie, Hutch Ost. There were actually a lot of other food at the frozen food section, but I actually picked this out, the cheddar cheese and leek pie, because it looks yummy and it looks like something that I would like. So I'm gonna have to bake this. So let me just bake it first. Oh, it's small. It's very small. It's small. There are 5 of these cheddar cheese and leek pie inside, and all I have to do is to pop it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Let's go with this first because I'm very interested. Some fish roll. How does it smell? Oh my god, it just smells like fish roll. Actually, it's not very expensive. Like, this tub itself is about $6. So to try this, I prepared some crackers. I don't know what they usually match it with, but I think crackers would be a good idea. Okay, let me try it out. Oh wow. It's not bad. It tastes a little fishy. I mean, it's fish roll, so it tastes a little fishy. But it's very crunchy, so it pops in your mouth. They're like little tiny little pops, so it goes like pop inside your mouth. And I'm a big fan of Ebiko, Ikura. What else can I match this with? What do you think? Tell me. Okay, next up I have this another salted herring roll. This one is black. So up here it says caviar. It's not the very expensive caviar that we know of, because this one is about $6 also. Okay, without further ado, let's try it with my Meiji cracker. Actually, I quite like caviar. So when I was in Paris, right, I actually went to this shop. I have no idea what the shop is called. It has been many years since I traveled. The last time I went to Paris, I actually got this caviar that is so good, and it was so precious to me because one small tub, very skinny and flat tin, and it cost $90, and I ate it very sparingly. So every time I eat with crackers, right, I put very little, and then I savor it. And then one fine day, it expired. But anyway, here is a more commoner caviar version, which I can eat on a daily basis, and I have a huge tub here. I think this is saltier than that. It's very fishy also, but it's quite nice because it's very crunchy. It goes pop in my mouth again. I will eat it. Okay, so the caviar was a bit salty, so I need some drink. Paco, milk with cocoa powder. So I think it's just chocolate milk. Cheers. I like it. It's really good. It's like malty, but not very malty, but more like iced chocolate. I mean iced chocolate milk. This is good. Okay, moving on. We have this thing called Kale's Original. So actually, I've been to IKEA quite a number of times since young, right? And every time, I'll see this toothpaste-looking thing in the fridge. And a lot of times, I want to buy it to try it. But I know that I will not finish this whole thing, so I don't really want to waste it also. But since today, I'll be making this video, I'm very excited because I will finally be able to taste this toothpaste-looking thing right here. It is actually cream smoked fish roll. I think it sounds nicer than the other 2 tubs. If I'm not wrong, this should be very famous in Sweden, right? I think it's like their staple thing. Okay, so I think this thing, right, it's more like a... I guess my pie is ready. So anyway, let's try this out first. It's like glue. You need to do this with glue. I'm going to try this with crackers. Ooh la la. This looks nice. It actually looks like mentaiko. Oh my god, it's damn good. Oh my god, it's so nice. Actually, I don't know if I need to cook this. Do I need to cook this? I don't think so, right? Actually, now that I think of it, do I need to cook this? I don't know. Never mind, later I will know. After I go run to the toilet, then I will know. So I think this one, right, it will be good when you put it on the bread and then you toast it also. It's really good like that also. It's very nice. There's this slight sweetness inside also. So it's fish roll, but it's not fishy at all. And no, it doesn't taste like mentaiko. It's a completely new taste. I'm back with pie. Okay, it smells very good. It smells like paikya. You know, last time everybody likes paikya. Let me tear it open first. It's quite hot. It's very good. You can never go wrong with cheese, right? And the leek taste is so fragrant and easy to make also. It can get a bit gelat after a while. It's very cheesy, but it's good. Still didn't win my Kale's toothpaste. It smells like Choa Chu Kang MRT. Next up, I have another tube, and this one is salmon spread. Actually, I haven't really seen this before at IKEA. It's my first time, so it's a sandwich filling, so I think that it should be eaten with toast, just like my favorite toothpaste right here, by Kiehl's. It smells like smoked salmon. Oh, this is easier to squeeze out. That make a very good spread. You know, like your bread, right? It don't taste straight up like salmon. It's so easy, so you don't have to cook salmon, then you just squeeze it in your toast, right? Yeah, I was a little afraid that the salmon spread will taste a bit like fishy, but it's actually very good. I need to visit Sweden just so that I can buy a lot of this home. I can even replace my toothpaste with this. What? So now, drink break, we have this premium cider, Pop Harbor, strawberry and lime. So there's 4.5% alcohol. Cheers! This is also very good. Wow, everything tastes good. Right off the bat, right, you can taste the very strong strawberry like sweetness and strawberry taste. And then there comes the lime. This is smash! Smash! Because there is an exclamation mark at the end. Is this chocolate coated corn chips. Are you ready? Pretty nice. It's very rich. The chocolate is very, very rich. Summer fishes. Why? It's an episode full of fishes. This one is Swedish fish. Okay, so this is fruity flavor gummy. It smells like medicine. I'll get the red one because usually I like the red one. Not like the Yupi bear gummy. It's like the nian kind. You know, the sticky kind that you chew it in and it's like it goes in to your teeth, doesn't bounce out. Okay, so that's it for all the things that I've gotten from IKEA. I think I need to do a part 2 to try out more of the frozen food, and also there were a lot of frozen desserts like those cakes, soup and stuff like that. So I'm very excited to try those out. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like it as always. If you have any other suggestions, any other things that you would like to watch, please comment down below at the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon.